Okay, so when you pick up the luxury viral reels package through my link, you're going to come through. Once you've clicked on my link, you're going to come through to the sales page. I need to remind you that it is on a dime sale. So as you can see, the price is now $6.93. It goes up with every sale. Obviously, it's still ridiculously cheap. And even if it got to $47 for the 3,000 reels, you're still getting an absolute bargain, because you've got 3,000 done for you, premium viral reels, B-roll clips for you to use on your social medias, but you get the PLR rights as well, so you can sell the whole thing as is and just keep all the money you make. So it's an incredible deal. Don't forget that on the sales page as well, I've got some examples of the reels so you can see the kind of quality you get. I was blown away by this, and I'm sure you will be too. And you can see the use that you can put these to immediately. Apart from anything else, that you can use them yourself to explode your own social media, because they are viral reels, proven to go viral. But you can also sell this as a service, so you could offer small businesses the service of you uploading viral reels to their social media accounts. They're all done for you, so it's not going to take a lot of work for you to do that. You can sell the whole package as is, or you could take the 3,000 reels that you get and you could decide to bundle them up. You might want to break them into packages and have a different funnel. For example, you might have 1,000 in the front end, and then you might have 500 as an upgrade and another 500 as an upgrade, etc. You can do whatever you want because you get the PLR rights. What I would suggest you do is you go for using them yourself and offering them as a service and selling the PLR pack. So you've got 3 different ways to make money out of this. Now, when you do pick these up through my link, you're going to come through to the checkout page. So if we just click on, I'm going to go through to my link here. So we go through to the sales page, and then when you click on any of the buy buttons, you'll come through to the checkout cart. And in order to make sure you get my bonuses, that I'm going to show you in a second what they are, just down the bottom here, you'll see that it says here you've been referred by Trevor Carr. That's me, all right, 309923. So you'll see that the product is created by Luann and Trevor Carr because we're the vendors. But if you want this particular bonus bundle, then you need to pick it up through my affiliate link. So you need to know that you were referred by me in order to get that. If you see this here, then when you pay up here, you're going to get these bonuses instantly and automatically. Right, so this is the bonus bundle that I've got for you. And there's an image of me, obviously, with King Charles in the palace, showing him the viral reels. So yeah, he thought they were really good. Anyway, when you come down here, you get the opportunity to go through and check out the upgrades again. So in your own time. So upgrade number 1 is another 6,000 luxury viral reels. Upgrade number 2 is 1,400 luxury travel reels. Then upgrade number 3 is our monthly PLR membership. So we add more PLR content to that for you every single month. Now you can get in from just $10 a month, or you can pay a one-time low fee forever. So that's a really good upgrade as well. Then we've got upgrade number 4, which is basically license rights. So you get to sell this product and get 100% commissions on the whole funnel. So it's a bit different to PLR because all you do is give people an affiliate link to this very product. They would come through to this sales page via your affiliate link, and then if anybody bought this and any of the upgrades, you'd get a commission for each of the ones that they buy. It's the upgrade that I always recommend, that my clients go for, my students go for, because it's the easiest way to make money, because it's like this is your product. The whole funnel's done for you, the sales pages, all of the sales videos, that everything's done for you. The delivery is handled for you, the support is handled for you. So this is definitely the easiest way to make money, is to get that upgrade number 4 there, which is the license rights. And then number 5 is a membership. It's a membership area packed with money, make money online training by myself. All right. Basically, you're going to discover the exact things that I would do if I had to start again from scratch. Now, I've done over $3 million online now since I've been in this business. So if you'd like to know how you can follow in my footsteps, that's a really cheap way for you to get in and get a full membership with my training. All right, so they're the upgrades, and then you've got the bonuses. So these are the bonuses that I'm going to be giving you when you pick up the luxury viral reels through my link. All right, so first of all, you're going to get the viral hooks collection. So this is one of our previous launches. So it's 800 viral video hooks. All right, and you can see here are some of the samples. So 800 of those including PLR rights. All right, so it's worth picking up the Luxury Viral Reels pack through me just to get this one bonus. But that's not all you're going to get. You're going to get a lot more than that. So you're also going to get the exclusive cheat sheet. All right, so the cheat sheet for the viral hooks that I created. So let me show you that. So this cheat sheet is designed to get you up and running very, very quickly, to show you everything you need to do with the viral hooks that I'm giving you for free. All right, so you're going to get all of this, the cheat sheet, all the hooks and everything for free as a bonus when you pick up the Luxury Viral Reels through my link. And that's not all you get all of the others as well here. So 15 million PLR assets, training on how to create your own stunning PLR coloring pages, training on how to make your own digital PLR coloring books to sell and keep all the money, training on how to make money online with Warrior Plus as an affiliate. You get my full Midjourney Magic training program, where I show you how to use Midjourney Magic to create incredible images. And you get my later Midjourney web-based training, where I show you how to use the web-based Midjourney Magic to do the same. You get how to create an amazing lead magnet and build your list using AI, how to make money online with PLR, how to make money online with simple affiliate reviews. There's a ton of stuff here, plus a load of PLR here you can see as well. Load more PLR. You're going to get a high ticket course selling at $997 there. There's just a ton. So all of these, you get access to this document, which means that you get instant access to every single bonus, and all you need to do is pick this up for whatever price it's at the time, you know. And as I said, even if that went up to like $47, even if it went up to $97, it'd still be a bargain, because you're going to get 3,000 done for you viral reels. But it's fairly low at the moment. As I'm recording this, it's just $6.93 for all 3,000, and you get all those bonuses as well. So make sure you pick this up as soon as you can. Make sure you get it through my link, and you'll get instant access to that doc. And all you need to do when you're in the doc to access anything is just click on the link, and then a clickable link will pop up. For example, click here, and then you click on that, and that's going to pop up for you to load it. All right, and that works for every single one of those bonuses. So instant access. You don't need to email anybody or claim anything. You just get the whole lot. Okay, so go and grab this now as soon as you can, and let's make some money. I'll speak to you soon.